What's up? What is up? What is up, YouTube? It's not a very excellent day. Mr. WhiTTey, Mrs. WhiTTey, I don't know if it's a Mr. or Mrs. It's acting like a Mrs. right now, is in pieces and not having a very good day. Need to put that dipstick up. Man, not fun, huh, Levi? Didn't really fight us too bad, I gotta say that. Look at all this rubber I scraped off of WhiTTey. Excuse the mess, but so we are officially out. That is officially going to Georgia. Booyah. I think, depending on where Cashton is, we may go. Are you still going if we go? We'll probably go to Elk Creek. Whoop whoop. Fun stuff. Only if Cashton does. Nobody goes with me anymore. Everybody wants to see Cashton. So, alright. Alright, so we're getting ready to pull up to Elk Creek Dragway. Levi has never been to Elk Creek Dragway, nor has little Cashton Thomas Payton. And so I am curious as to the reaction of Levi, of what he thinks about Elk Creek Dragway. And if you've never been to Elk Creek Dragway, did you see the tractor? There's all kinds of tractors and cows. It is in the middle of some cow fields. Oh man, Cashy is excited because
of the purple tractor.
Of their purple tractor. Oh, blue tractor. So if we can't race WhiTTey, we might as well go and watch some racing. So this will be fun. So let's do that again, because Houston went down the wrong road after not being here for about a year. But if you've never been to Elk Creek, take the first road. Don't take the double lane road. Oh my gosh, we're gonna get drenched. We got water getting shot out here into the road.
Fitting to be in that field.
Golly, that's awesome. Anyways, Elk Creek is the first drag strip that I ever attended back when I was about 12 years old. I rode in the back of a Fox body coupe Mustang that was a 306 with a Vortec. Drove here, changed to some slicks, and drove back with like 3 kids in the back of the car. It was like me, Zach, Zane. There's some chickens and a puppy.
All
right.
Go.
Let's give them some monies. Levi, what do you think about Elk Creek so far?
Janky.
Janky?
Just how I love it.
Just how you like it. I know this guy is loving the other GoPro. What do you think? He's enjoying the... Yeah, I have to have that one. You can't have both. He's running my battery out, so really pretty sunset. It's actually gorgeous, and you can sit there and watch it go down. It's awesome. See it? Yeah, I know. I need to quit staring. But so a little bit of jank. A little bit of jank.
I have my contacts on. I can't see it.
Right. A little bit of jank, and we've already seen a car wreck, like crazy wreck right off the bat. That was nuts.
Crazy
I'm hoping I got it on the GoPro or the drone.
Fire on YouTube if you do.
Car wrecks, dangerous wrecks, wreck. You got to get away from their car, man. That's not JJ. His uncle's got one identical, and he was like, JJ's car. It's like, no, man, that's not his. JJ's car. It's close. It's exact same color. JJ got a little different wheels, that's all. Mm-hmm. It's fixing to be pretty. I haven't even tested. I haven't even gotten this camera, like, tested any of the footage from it. I like Elk Creek. Elk Creek's a good time. There's nothing really fast here. There's some gear jammers that are cool, and I'm probably not even, I didn't even make it to the starting line or up close to get any video of any races or any passes, because I popped the drone out and boom, somebody slams the wall, and they've been fixing the guardrail for about 30 minutes now. So, fun.
Ashy.
Fun stuff. All the fun. Cashman, quit touching the wheels. What do you think? What do you think about that? Yeah. All right, so Levi, is your first night at Elk Creek Dragway here in Virginia. What do you think?
I like it.
You like it?
It's a nice place.
Jenna doesn't really like it.
There's no phone service.
Dude,
It's cool.
some supply. And look what it says. It says your SHIT is our bread and butter. I'm gonna see if they can see this. Look at this.
I saw where it said someone supply earlier.
Oh my
I
goodness
didn't
gracious.
realize
That's
exactly
so
what it was.
funny. That's one of our suppliers in Beckley. It's got the West Virginia tags. There's actually a lot of people from West Virginia from Beckley and that way come down here. They don't go to Motor Mile. Sort
Did
of
you
weird.
ever see that maroon fox or purple fox, whatever?
Yeah, it's back. I didn't see it run.
I didn't see it run.
I think the yellow car is with them. I swear.
Right. Yeah, I've seen that car up there.
So,
I think.
Cashton had an amazing time on this playground, didn't you, buddy? Did you like the playground? No! You loved the playground. Anyway, let's see if we got some light. But not much stuff here tonight. Crazy. Oh! Crazy car wreck, and I'm gonna examine that drone footage and see how that went. I'm super excited to see if it caught it or not. That was a little crazy, but throw the piece of banana out, Levi.
You want it?
No, what? Where was it at?
It's in the seat.
I'll give it to him. Ain't no dirty in a seat.
Here you go. Can we throw it out? Make up your mind, little dude.
So we went to the boondocks and we watched some racing. Some pretty cool gear jammers. That was about it.
Yeah. They jumped.
Nothing, you know, this is in the middle of nowhere. They jumped. Yeah. They did wee-wees.
What them cars do, Cashton?
What those cars do? Fast.
Oh, that too.
That works. But all in all, it was a pretty fun night.
It's a good time. I like
It
it.
was a good time. Bacon. We had a double bacon cheeseburger from there. It was amazing. It's a good thing about coming to some of these home style tracks and not like the big NHRA tracks is the food is amazing and decently cheap for what you get. It's amazing. Playground. That's right. That's what he's saying. Playground. Did you like the playground? Yeah, man, he slid down the slide about 100 times.
Yeah.
What was that? Blackbirds? Blackbirds singing in the dead of night. That's from Boss Baby. Oh, me. I had a good time. I'm curious to see how this camera does.
Yeah.
Huh? Climb up. He was climbing up. He was trying to climb up. Didn't have steps. It had like a ladder. He was figuring that out. That was scaring me to death. I think that's about all for this video. We're gonna make our way about an hour to the house from here. No, it's really not.
Dude, we're 30 minutes from Whitfield. Whitfield's an hour from the house.
Whitfield's not an hour from the house. Whitfield's 45 minutes tops.
To Princeton.
Yeah. See, I never count. I never count that. I never count
Princeton
to Lorona. Yeah, I know. Lorona to my house is 25 minutes. Or I mean, not Lorona to my house, but Princeton to my house is like 25 minutes. So, yeah, we're probably an hour and a half to the house. That's not bad. That'd be about midnight. That's what I told Jenna. You want to go home and feed the goats? Put the boots on and go feed the goats. That sounds like a good time to me, man. It's gonna be too dark, but we'll do it tomorrow. But I think that's about it. It was a good night watching some racing, as little as we did, some test and tune. Hopefully WhiTTey will be back together in about 3 weeks is what I would imagine it's going to take after everything. If I can get the transmission shipped.
It'll take longer than that to build the motor.
I'm not building the motor. I wish I could build the motor.
I've checked them over. Do the oil pump gears.
Nah, I'm good. If I do the oil pump gears, if I pull that thing, because I've got to pull quite a bit to get down to that point. If I pull down to that point, it's getting pulled out, and it's getting good stuff. But we're gonna see how long the stock Coyote will last. And if we have a backup motor sitting, we may turn it up the stock motor and see how long it will last before putting that one in. The only problem is with that is I don't want to hurt the heads or cams or anything like that. So as long as it would just like not drop a valve, or which I don't think it would do that.
I think oil pump gears will be gone before
I would think so.
that, or your stock rods are gonna.
Right, but if a rod lets go, is it gonna mess the heads up? It could.
The world may never know.
The world's not gonna know, because I don't want it to happen. So now that we've rambled for a little bit about my motor plans that are never gonna happen, because I'm just gonna keep it on 10 pounds and let it eat forever.
Just gonna keep talking about it.
I'm gonna keep talking about it. Maybe one day WhiTTey will be fast. That's about it. Hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, drop us a like. I know Cashton enjoyed this video. Ain't that right, buddy? Yeah.
It's too dark.
Peace out, Girl Scout.